Okay, I'm going to show you how using this app you can create so many crazy things with one push of a button. And I've been looking for this thing forever, and then I stumbled across it on TikTok, and I tried it out here. So if you want to see, I built out this webinar that created all of these. I'm calling it my stack engine. What the stack engine? Let's go stack engine. There you go. We're calling it our stack engine. And then in this webinar stack, I have the sales page, the landing page, the social media, the email copy that consists of 6 emails that hit the 3 different levels of awareness. And then you got your Facebook ads copy that hit the same 3 different levels of awareness. If you're not familiar with that, that's the top of the funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel. And then I also have a Facebook post that will be boosted, and then a mid-journey creative prompt to create the graphic for it. And then because this is a webinar, I want to create webinar questions. So you get the picture, right? I've got 7 different types of pieces that is generated from one push of a button. When I do this, I hit run from the brief, and then it goes boom, 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 boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start fresh, and you're going to watch me do it. I'm going to think through what this is, but I'm going to go and just on the fly do this. So let's say we're going to go. There's an event that's coming up that a friend of mine is doing. So I'm going to use that as an excuse to build any event promotions stack engine. Okay, we're going to start there. Now, it needs a brief, right? So then I'm going to add a folder. We're going to call it our event promotions. Okay, we're good. Start there. Then I'm going to add a prompt. Now, the cool thing about this app is it's got already built in, right, tons and tons and tons of prompts. So this is an app that is connected to your GPT-4 API, so it can pull from GPT-4, right? Or you can just write it yourself. So in this case, I'm gonna write it myself. I'm gonna go prompt title is event brief. Okay. And then we're gonna put it in event promotions. All right, now what I could do is I'm gonna come here. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna drop it in as if I'm, doing the ChatGPT thing. I'm gonna go boom. So then I'm gonna delete some of these things. All right, what else do I need to delete? About the venue, ticket. That's fine. Let's just roll it. Okay, I'm gonna say the above is the website information about this upcoming event. Target audience is entrepreneurs, business owners, and executives. Objective of the event is to connect people, share valuable knowledge through the expert speakers, and encourage people to do business with each other or through referrals. Okay, so this is just high level stuff, but I want to give it as much information as I can. Obviously, the website should give all the details and all that stuff with it, right? So I'm just kind of looking at all right, here's what it is. Target audience, objective of the event, and then now I'm going to go. I just like to divide things with that. I need you to act as an expert event planner and create an event brief with all the details lined out in a easy to read and categorized brief. Categorized brief. Save, and let's see what it does, right? So I'm going to start with the event brief. Okay, I'm going to do that. Well, okay, looks kind of wonky. Let's take that thing out. This ticket sale closes. Right. Yeah, I'm going to save it. Okay, now that's done. Then I'm going to drag this over in here for it to be my first run. Okay, so I'm going to, that stack, I don't need a name for it. Can I don't think I can even name it. Anyways, what happens is that prompt can start things and then it does an output that can be read by the next piece of the engine. So let's run it and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's running. Now it's given, the information. While it's doing that, I'm going to come here and then I'm going to add a prompt. Let's see if there's nope, I want to add my own prompt. And then this is going to be, I want to write a blog post about this, but I don't want it to be a short pitch. I want it to be an educational blog post. So yeah, blog post. So as a blog, you are an expert thought leader influencer with a gift for writing compelling educational blog posts. Let's move it in here. Use the information from the previous stack to craft your blog post. Give me 3 options for the title. Use subheadings in your blog post. Use stories to add more detail in the post. What else can we use? Use bullet points as necessary. Have a strong hook as the intro, and maybe start the post with a story that becomes a cliffhanger and continues in the outro. Let's see if that works. Boom. Okay, add that. Here we go. Let's take a look at what we got. Event overview, target audience, event objectives, event structure. This is great. Take a look. Isn't it awesome? What? All of that. All right, so we got that done. Now I'm going to come here and then add my blog post. So the blog post, I'm going to have the blog post connected to here. Or sorry, I'm going to have this connected to here. Just go this way. Okay, now let's take a look. So output of previous stack, which is this. Now it's going to use this. Okay, so let's have that run. Untitled stack. Oh, okay. So this is blog post. Great. And this is event brief. Bingo. So I'm going to let this run and then see what it comes up with. And then let's go. So this is event brief, and I'm going to go 1 because that's the first thing I need. Yeah. And then the second thing is, yeah, okay, we'll do the blog post stuff, whatever, to get some promo out of it. But remember, on events, we're going to need email copy, right? So email copy folder promotions. I want to say something it irks me when I don't have consistency. So how about that? All right, very good. This is done. Let's take a look. All right. Boom. Whoa. Okay, blog post hook. AI revolution. And so this is not working because it is not reading from this. I don't know how to solve. Okay, let me see. Maybe if I do this. Let's try that there. Nope. Nope. Nah, so it's not reading. It's actually taking, this is not working the way that it needs to be because it's not using the previous stack. Copy all. Okay, yeah, it should actually be doing this way. That's how it should be working. Output from previous stack. Okay. From maybe that's gonna work now. Let's try it. Run it. Let's take a look and see. Nah. So it is actually looking for the actual output. All right. So obviously it's not working the way I want it to. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna delete this. Actually, I'm gonna send this to the people because it's not working. Send it to support. Okay, so what I did is I copied the previous stack, I put it underneath all there, and then I let it run. And now it's pulling the correct information. So this actually isn't even necessary, right? So, but it should be connected. That's the idea. The previous stack, and look at it, it's running. It's writing the blog post. It's great. So I got to come here and then craft the email copy. All right. In the writing style of copywriting and Kaizen expert Dan Kennedy, I need you to craft 4 promotional emails pushing the event and getting people to click on the call to action in order to buy tickets. Write your emails as top of funnel. Make them sequential. Oh, here's what I want to do too. make them sequential, and then on the last email, let them know that if they in fact opened all the emails, read them through, tell them to reply back to the last email saying they opened all the emails and that they want their special bonus designated only for people who actually read through all the emails. Okay, I like that. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to drop this sucker here. And now let's take a look, right? I'm going to take the event brief. I'm going to come here. I'm going to take the event brief. I'm going to copy all, go here. Then I'm going to say, use the event brief information below to frame and inform your email. Down here, event brief. Boom, save. Okay, then I'm going to connect this here. Ideally, how it's supposed to work is in the event brief. Why is this thing happening? This is in the source data. All right, so it should go, when it runs, it should then go here and then come down here and then produce that. And then I was going to have this pull from this. But anyways, this is going to run itself. Let's take a look. That's email 1. So it's running. Okay, that's cool. All right. Now, naturally, we're going to want, this is the source data to inform your writing. Bananas. Now, this right here, what I write in here, only when I pull it over will it get updated, right? Will it get replaced? Oh, what's going on? Okay, email number 2, good. Email number 3, number 4. How many emails did I ask for? Oh, 4, easy, nice. All right, this is the source data. Oh, sorry. Or whatever I said. Anyways, okay, so we've got the event brief, the blog post, the email copy. What else? Of course, we're going to need as a social media manager and expert in emojis, write 3 social media posts that can be used on IG, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Then write 5 tweets for Twitter. Use emojis. Be funny, clever, and witty. sarcastic if needed. Use event details, event brief below for your source material. Event brief, big folder, go there, I'm gonna save it. You know, the sad part is, see, it's supposed to go like this, right? It comes here, and then I'm supposed to connect it. You know what? I think I have to run it, actually. Let's try it. Watch this. Let's see if it works. I'm going to go to the blog post, and then I'm going to take out the event brief. Yeah, I think it's going to work. Watch this. No, let's take that out. Use information from previous stack. Okay. Then email copy. I'm going to remove the event brief. Now this is a manual way to do it, right? This is I'm actually prompting it with the seed, which is the event brief. But that's not how it should work. It actually should work pulling from the top. Okay, now with that being said, I think it's going to work now. Let's try it. This is the event brief. This is the blog post. This is the email copy. And then this is the social media post. Social media posts. Come on, dude. All right. Enter. Watch it. I'm going to start it, and then it's going to go, and then it should run all these, right? Let me delete this so we can start over. Then you will see the password. Anyways. Blog post, email copy. So I want to connect that here. Then I want to connect that here. Then I want to connect that here. That way it all runs from the event brief. Ready, set, go. Let's see what's going to happen. Now it's running it there. Let's go through and make sure this is. Okay, I started with the event brief. Okay. And then the blog post coming here. Yeah. Bullet points as necessary. Email copy. Top of funnel. Very good. That's good. Social media post. Be clear. Nah. This. Delete. Bingo. You see it? See it working? See it working? Yeah. Now it's working. Yo, isn't this crazy? Haha. Then what else? What else do I need to put in here? We got social. We got, you know what? For the heck of it, let's go. Video scripts. You are a Hollywood award-winning producer, editor, and script writer. Craft an entertaining and strongly emotional video script about this event. Make sure to be direct and right. The promotions, hit save. Okay, that's going to be, now let's take a look. Right, remember the first time we did it, I couldn't do the blog post. So right there, as you can see, it's alpha dominance. Here, as you can see, social media posts, market calendars. Shoot, that's coming up. And then email copy here. Let's see how many emails. Email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4. Perfect. Perfect. Yo, isn't this crazy? Isn't this crazy? I love it. So in the description, there's a link. That's my affiliate link so that you can purchase the lifetime for this and run with it, because it clearly is incredible where it does all of these things at the push of one button. Yeah. Isn't it bananas? So video scripts, I want to keep building this thing. Here, I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to connect it with there. Right. And then what else? I think I'm gonna need, oh yeah. So for the event, here's the other thing. Let's keep going. I'm gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna go 6 call script. As an expert outbound sales person, craft a short outbound call script that is geared toward connecting with the prospect, but starting with a catchy, funny, and clever opening line. Keep the script short and open-ended so that the caller can have the flexibility to take the conversation wherever it needs to go in order to sell the ticket. Okay, there, cost script. Okay, the cost script, I'm gonna have it go all the way here. Yeah. So now we've got 6. We got a cost script. What else do I need? Boy, this is a long video, but you're getting a ton of in the trenches action, and then how powerful this tool is and why you need to go through my affiliate link and purchase. Sayonara. I think this is good enough. Go for it. Let me know if I have any questions. But as you can see here, one button runs it all. Super crazy. Super crazy. Let me clean this up. Yeah. There we have it, folks. There we have it. This is so awesome. Okay. Thank you.